Jatend duond bura mar Safina Party Wanjigi koro wacho ni Jokenya ntiere kod teko mar katiba mar thicho oko sirkal mar William Ruto kapok higni 5 romo poni sirkal ofuong'o pek mar ngima.
Wanjigi ma oloso e kanisa mar Anglican ma Uririe kar chung od bura magem kaunti ma Siaya wacho ni pek mar uchumi masani Jokenya nigo ok nyal kaw mawethweth.
Wacho no jiw kod governors ma Siaya James Orengo kod Human Rep ma Siaya Christine Ombaka ma bende ne oteno Wanjigi e ote makamano.
Every single day you wake up, every single day you go to bed, know that yesterday was better than today. Every single day, he is collapsing our nation economically, morally, socially. And we must ask ourselves this question. Are you going to wait 4 years?
We have a dysfunctional government because life is becoming difficult every day. School fees and many other things that, we should be having a tax relief, we're having a tax burden. So the choice for Kenyans is to stand firm and join with the forces who are represented by our leadership in Azimio and Jimmy Wanjigi here, who are saying we are going on the wrong direction, and we must change course and make sure that Kenya is freed from this slavery.
We are also asking the president to listen and to obey the constitution.
Yes.
He must obey the constitution. If the judiciary have decided on an issue, he should not interfere. Let the judiciary be as independent as possible.
Ramogi,